Mr. Mallett.
Lee Mallett. Mr. Lee Mallett.
Mr. Mallett.
We can't have a program in the blank without guys like Lee Mallett.
Lee Mallett has been a real big supporter to our basketball program over here at Iowa High School by sponsoring our tournament for the last 5 years. He donated the field house for baseball. He's donated batting cages for baseball.
He built us this awesome batting cage that we have, and he really did help us out a lot. The batting cages are tremendous help, not just for our kids now, but our future generation of kids, because it gives them an opportunity to where we really don't have days off. We can take ground balls underneath. We can constantly have days where we're working and out of the weather. For him to be able to step up and donate it to us was great. It was great for us and great for the school, and it's going to be great for the community and the kids' futures to come.